Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 20, and today I will show you how to perform a hard reset through recovery mode. So to start off, we will need to shut off the device, so hold the power key here and then select power off. Now once the device shuts off, we can then hold power key again and volume up, both together. So power key, volume up. Keep holding them till you see the magic logo. As you can see, there it is. And basically we're now in the recovery mode. So from here you can just tap on whatever you want to select. But what we want to select is wipe data, factory reset, which is the second option. So tap on it. And then you will need to write yes, as you can see right here, to confirm it. So type in yes and then tap wipe data, factory reset, and confirm it once more by tapping right here on the bottom, wipe data, factory reset. You will get a little message that to avoid system error, and also a progress of how far along it is. And once it's finished, we'll be back to this screen, as you can see, and you want to just tap on now, reboot system now, and the process will continue in the background, so just be patient. And I'll be back once it's finished. And as you can see, now we're done. And we're now in the setup screen of the device. So from here you can just set up your device as you like, and that process is basically fully finished now. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.